Tackling a new topic like AI, the two-day workshops, what they do is they give people actionable takeaway points. So the first half a day is actually kind of forming a common understanding of what AI is, the kind of taxonomy of reference points. But beyond that, we look at policies. What policies do you need? What would a good policy for you and your organization look like? And then we start to give recommendations for tools like the Plot for AI, regulatory requirements. And the great thing is, again, this is a workshop-based format, so it's other professionals sharing experiences, and we've got sectoral examples, case studies that you can work through, again, depending on the constituency of the workshop. This is what ISC2 does so well. When everybody was looking for a solution to AI and securing AI, this is the approach, and it's such a great and strong approach.